I like to think of the education that's happening on a stairs basis. You know, you have to gather a lot of information, and that's not necessarily a good time for the business because you're investing in me right now for me to figure out what it is you need, and then I'm going to take some time and I'm going to apply it, and that's going across on the stair. So while I'm doing the application, that's when you're getting some return on investment. And now I'm going to need to learn a new thing. I'm going to go to another one of your business units and I'm going to figure out what it is they need to do. And again, while I'm gathering that information, I'm not necessarily giving the return on investment. And then I'm going to apply it. I'm going to say, okay, so since this business unit needs to interact with that business unit, we need to figure out a way for these two units to talk together. And there is me applying it. So this constant managing of change, incorporating lessons learned, looking at what's going to fit with the company culture is how you're going to effect the best change.